Ndewo no abụ m Ọgọchukwu Kwunet Ọhaya. N'ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị nwere na ebe a wụ nke a na-akpọ intermediate, ndị nke matatụgoro ihe okwu Igbo. So ihe anyị nwere wụ ihe m nyere ụnụ n'izu gara aga ka unu mee, a na-akpọ adjective, ngwaokwu. Adjective, ngwaokwu. So anyị ga-ekwu ihe gbasatara ya taa. So what I said in Igbo is this, that the homework I gave to you guys last week, we did adjective. We're still doing adjective, which is ngwaokwu in Igbo. So that homework I gave to you guys, we're going to review it. And some of you that didn't do their homework, I don't know what to say here, but if you really want to get something out of this class, you're supposed to do your homework, do your assignment. I gave it to you to help you. The assignment is to help you. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for you to try your best. Put in your best. Do what you know, okay? Based on what we did in the classroom. I won't give you anything that we didn't go over. Before I assign anything, I must make sure that we did that topic, we analyzed it, we stressed on that before I can even say, okay, let me give you this to try. Try your best. I'm not saying that you will get it. You get it, wonderful. You have to do the homework. I don't even give much. I just give little. From time to time, I give little to help you. Okay, so please, and next week we're going to have quiz. You need to pay attention in the classroom. Do your best to, take advantage of this. This is a free class. You need to take advantage of it. I am extremely, extremely busy. I barely have time for myself, but I'm doing this for our people, for you, for you. I'm doing it to help you guys learn your mother tongue, learn Igbo language. Anybody who is interested to learn. That doesn't mean I have free time. No, I don't have any free time. I don't have a free time. But hey, we have to do anything we can to sustain our Igbo language and culture. And this is what you're going to carry on. So, live for your children. Give them this, all this, teach them all these things. Even if some of you in college, you go there, just show them, bring it on. Introduce your African culture. You can join maybe the African dance there. Some of you are in my dance group. Some of you are in my dance group, okay? So if you are not, you don't have to be in my own dance group. But all these things to help you in future. Wherever you find yourself, any community you find yourself, help out. Tell them about your Igbo culture. Speak your language. Anybody who is willing to learn, teach the person. Language is language. Anybody can learn the language, not just only Igbo children. Okay? Feel free to be yourself wherever you find yourself. It might not be in this community. It might not be in the community you are right now, but make sure wherever you find yourself, make good use of it. Okay? Let the world know who you are. Don't hide yourself. Be yourself. Speak your language if you can. Then introduce your culture. Okay? Join the African. You can even be the president. You can even be the one to introduce it in your school. If they don't have it there, meet your dean, meet whoever, the president of the school. Tell them, okay, we'd like to introduce something like this. Don't feel shy. Don't feel like, oh, I am a young person. I can't talk. No, 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 no. You have right to say something. Sometimes they will not accept it. It's okay. Okay? Whether they accept it or not, speak your mind. Do what you want to do. Don't shy away. Just don't deny yourself who you are. Always be yourself anywhere you are. Don't assume another person's identity. Your identity is your identity. You have to, own it. If you don't own it, I don't know, you're not doing yourself a favor. I have to say that. So feel free in this class. This is for you. I'm here to help. Okay, I don't have the time, but I have the time to help you. Okay, we all have to do something you have this conviction that, okay, this is what you can do. What I'm doing might not be what you would like to do to help others, but do it. Everything is not all about money. Okay, I have to do this to earn money. I have to, no. Sometimes you have to volunteer yourself to do something. People do volunteer work. You can do something for your community, whether you're paid or not. As long as you're helping somebody, even if it's one person at a time, that's the goal. Do it. Find something you are good at, do it to help in your community. It doesn't have to be only what people will benefit from. It doesn't have to be your siblings. It doesn't have to be your friends. Anybody able to be part of what you're doing, to learn, will come, and that you make a big change. That's what I'm preaching here. It's part of our culture. Okay. All right. So now let's get to the point. I believe everybody, you can see the screen. All right. Now we are still working on the adjective. We stop at expensive, something that will corner, and then I gave you guys homework to do. That homework, number one here, we're going to take number one. Number one is easy. Ezinne, gwa anyị ihe okwu ikwuru gbasatara easy. Tell us what you said, the example used with easy. Easy means mfe, something that is not hard. Easy, ọ dị mfe. O sighi ike, ihe na-esighị ike wụ ihe dị easy. O sighi ike. Ezinne, ngwa gwa anyị etu isi were jiri okwu esighị ike ma ọ bụ ịdị mfe were kwuo okwu.
Ọ dị mfe.
Ọ dị mfe, meaning what? Tell us what it means in English.
It is easy.
Good job. Ezinne, daalụ, daalụ, daalụ. Kelechi, good. Good wụ ọma or ezigbo. Gwa anyị etu ishiri wee jiri good. Ihe pụtara ọma ma ọ bụ ezigbo. Gwa anyị etu isiri jiri ọma ma ọ bụ ezigbo were kwuo okwu. Kelechi. Kelechi ọ nọ ebe a? Kelechi ọ nọ na line? Okay, Nelo, gwa anyị etu isi wee jiri ọma were kwuo okwu. Oluchi ọ nọ ebe a? Oluchi, I see all of you.
I don't know.
Who said I don't know? Tell me who you
That
are.
was Nello.
Huh?
That was Nello.
Nello, did you get the homework I sent?
No.
Nello, yes. Were you not in the forum? Were you not in the class forum, WhatsApp class forum for intermediate?
Yes.
Okay, Nello. What is yes in Igbo? We're supposed to be speaking those words, okay? Gịnị wụ yes? Okay, you told me before that you don't know. What is I don't know in Igbo? Use the word. How do you tell me I don't know?
Amadim.
Amagem, good. Okay, Nello, you get your work, okay? You have to do your homework. Everybody's supposed to do it. Ezinne did her homework and sent to me. I think one other person. I have to check. I need every one of you to do your homework. You have to do it. But the words we are using today, all the examples we are using today, you're not going to use it. You have to use another word. So let's type what Ezinne said. Ezinne say all the mfe. Okay. Ezinne say all the mfe. Okay. You can also say osigi ike. Osigi ike. those O's supposed to have dot underneath them. So, blessing, Uchehara, another is in there, which tell us how you can use Oma to make a sentence. So, jiri Oma, which is good, or ezigbo. Hey, ezinne, iwu ezigbo nwa, you're a good child. That's what it is. Ibu onye ọma, you're a good child. These are ways to say it. So, but I need you to give me just a short sentence. Tell me how to say, use Oma to make a sentence. Jiri Oma were kwuo okwu. Everything I'm saying in English here, I'm repeating them in Igbo. So you need to pay attention. Okay, Blessing, Uchehara, go ahead. Blessing on a line.
I'm here.
Okay. Now, how do you say I'm here? Remember, this is an interactive class. How do you say I'm here? Blessing.
And I'm here.
And you see, you put Igbo and English. It's okay. That's why we're doing this class. Then I have to correct you. Anom here means eba. Anom eba is in Blessing. Can you say that? Anom eba.
Anam eba.
Good. That's the way you're supposed to say it. And then next time you use it again, you won't forget it. Okay, so good job. Ngwa, jiri Oma. Oma means good or ezigbo. Remember how I said, hey, Blessing with ezigbo nwa. Blessing bu onye ọma. Both of them means a good person. Blessing with ezigbo mmadụ means a good person. Blessing with onye ọma. Blessing is a good person. So all this, that's what I'm, so I want you to use the Oma. Just give me a sentence. You can refer to somebody, you can refer to inanimate, you can refer to animal, you can refer to an object. Just try, just try.
Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to find the word.
Okay.
Only is this one.
Okay, while you're finding your word, let's go to another person. Happy. So Blessing, you're the one to do Oma. I need somebody else to do happy. Happy will means obi ụtọ. Obi dị m mma. Obi dị m ụtọ. So let me call Uche. Pascal.
Yes.
Okay. Gịnị wụ yes, Uche?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Uh-huh. Ngwa, use happy. Happy means obi ụtọ or obi ọma. Can you make a sentence for us? Just try your best.
Obi, wait, you said obi ama, right?
Yeah, obi ọma maọbụ obi ụtọ means happy. So use it to make a sentence.
Okay, obi ama.
Again, open your mouth when you're speaking Igbo. Remember, I said Igbo words, every letter cannot be missed. Every letter must be pronounced. You can muffle it, you can silence it, or maybe swallow it. Igbo, it demands you to open your mouth. So say the word again. You're right, but I want you to speak up.
Obi oma Anaru.
No, you're missing the subject and then the verb. So miss the verb and the subject and the noun. Don't mix them. Know where you're supposed to put them. Now, say what you wanted to say in English.
I am happy.
I am happy. Okay, now say the Igbo word again.
Wait, I'm confused. So when I say Obi
in this
Oma,
case, you come before the verb will come before the subject.
so will
now
it be
say it in Igbo again. Let me correct you.
Obi Oma.
Obioma.
Obioma.
Okay. No. Make a sentence with Obioma.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
No. Obioma is there already. Obioma means happy. Obi ụtọ, happy. So use happy to make a sentence, which is use obioma or obi ụtọ to make a sentence.
That's in the beginning of my sentence, so that's wrong.
No, you said something before. You didn't get it, but I wanted you to. Okay, this is what you wanted to say, that obi demo. You said I am happy. Okay.
Yeah.
So Pascal, the way you say I'm happy is that obi demo ụtọ, obi demo mma. You see that? Obi dem, that verb has to be there. Obi dem, mma, or obi dem ụtọ. I don't know where I am now. Okay. Obi dem ụtọ. Obi dem ụtọ. So that's what you're supposed to say. I am happy. Okay, now I need somebody to tell me he is happy in Igbo. Who will try? Ezinne, can you try? Ezinne Ifi. Okay, good.
Obi Diyama.
Good job. That's what I'm looking for. Obi Diyama. Obi Diyama. Obi Diyama. She's happy. He's happy. Okay, now somebody else use we are happy. We are happy. We are happy.
Can I try?
We are happy. Can somebody say that? Say, make the sentence in Igbo.
OBD, ani,
Yes, Pascal, I need you to open your mouth. You're getting it. Obidi anyama. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, OBD, ani,
Good. Don't be afraid to say something. You are trying. I just need you to be confident. Even if you're not getting it, it doesn't matter. That's why we are learning. That's why we're in this class, okay? So open up to talk. Don't be afraid. Don't shy up and don't say, oh, I don't know if I'll get it. You don't get it, then I correct it, and that's how you learn. So obidi anyema means we are happy. So let's put that one. Not typing the English one because you're hearing me say it already. You can make your note. Obi de ani mma. You can also try to use oto. Remember, you hear mma or oto. Don't forget they mean the sentence. They mean the sentence. Oto and mma, they are the sentence. Obi de mma. Obioma, onwere obioma, onwere, so all these things, okay? All right. Let's move on now. Let's go back to the other is in the blessing. You ready? It did go a little bit.
Huh?
Uh-huh. Ngwa,
So
why you with your Oma?
Nne mbu. Nne mbu onye ọma.
Nne m bụ onye ọma. Yay! That is good. That is good. I love that. Okay, my mother is a good person. That's what Blessing said. Wonderful, wonderful. Come on. Nemo bo. Okay, we need to punctuate it. Nemo bo. Onye ọma. Okay, Nemo bụ onye ọma. Then you can say, enyi m bụ onye ọma, means my friend is a good person. Now, if we want to put it in a negative way, who will try to put something? Use one of these to make a negative sentence. That the person is not a good person. Okay, nobody is talking. But I would like somebody to try because we need to be more interactive in this class. We have to interact, okay? You can say, Obu go onye ọma, or you can say, Obu onye ojo. Remember, we did ojo, which is something bad, somebody who is bad. Obu onye ojo, obu onye ojo, obu go onye ojo. Okay, if you want to say somebody is not that good, okay, he's not a good person. These are two ways you can say it. Obu go onye ọma, or you can say, Obu onye ojo. Or you can say, Abụ m onye ọjọọ. You can also say, Abụghị m onye ọma. Don't forget the prepositions, the pronouns. That thing, if you can plug these things in, you should be able to make your sentence. If we have enough time, we do some of the common Igbo verbs because we did it before, but I know you've forgotten them. You have to learn how to plug them in, especially the pronouns. The pronouns, you know when to use them, okay? Anyị abụghị ndị ọjọọ. Anyị bụ ndị ọma, okay? All right. Anyị bụ ndị ọma. All right, so let's say, good job. Nne bụ onye ọma. My mother is a good person. Now, hard, something siri ike. Siri ike. Let me see if somebody has not said anything. I see Chukwudi. Chukwudi, ngwa, jiri hard, siri ike, were kwuo okwu. O siri ike, it is hard. O siri ike, it is hard. So that's one. So use siri ike, were kwuo okwu. Is Chukwudi there? Collins, are you there? So Collins is not here.
Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try?
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm here.
Collins, I need you to make a sentence.
Say what?
With hard. Something is very hard. Sirike. The meaning of hard means sirike.
I got some.
Huh?
I did the worksheet. Okay. Osi ite dioku.
Again?
Osi ite dioku.
What are you trying to say in English?
It is hard. Do I remember? I forgot.
It is hard. Okay, when you say it is hard, but you're trying to tell me what you had you say. Osigike, which is it is not hard. But you added something else. So if you want to put it in a negative way, trying to say it is not hard, that was exactly what you said. You said,
oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I remember. Yeah. Okay,
You're
that's
correct.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a negative. That's a negative way of saying it. Osigike. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot.
That it's easy. But if you want to say it is hard, it means osirike. But I said that one. But I want you to use make another sentence other than what I said.
All right.
Okay. Try. Just try.
Okay. Let me think.
Okay. Because we are
okay. OD. Okay. Yeah. OD oku.
Out again.
Huh?
Say it again. Open your mouth. I need to hear you.
OD oku. Remember,
we are using sirike. siri ike.
Oh, you mean wait, huh?
Hard. We are doing hard. Can you
Yeah.
see the screen? Do you see the
Yeah.
screen? Can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we are doing hard. Siri ike, something that is hard.
Oh, okay. I thought you said hot. I'm looking at the worksheet. My bad.
That's okay.
Oh.
That's okay. No, that's okay.
Okay,
Go
hold on a
ahead and use
sec.
Siri ike.
Let me read this for that one. Okay.
Yeah, use Siri ike to make a sentence. That's
Yeah.
all you
Okay.
need to do.
Okay. Okay. Siri ike.
Yay! Okay, now pay attention to your pronunciation. Siri ike, not Siri ike. Okay? Siri ike, nka Siri ike. Okay, you say nka Siri ike. When you're pointing at something, that's when you use it. Nka Siri ike, something that is you're trying to tell me dear, now, okay? But if you want to say ihe a siri ike, okay? Nka siri ike, but you got it. Bravo. That's good. Now I need somebody else to use elu. Okay, let me type what Colin said. Nka siri ike. Nka siri ike. It means this one is hard. Nka means this one is hard. So it's something happening right now. He's trying to tell us that this one is hard. But if you want to say ihe ahụ, that one is hard. Nka, this one is hard. Okay, that's what Colin said. Okay. Okay, if you want to say, okay, this stick is hard. Okay, it's very hard to break. This what can I say? You can say, okay, this book or your finger is hard, your nails are hard. There are so many ways you can do it. If you know you have not done your homework, you have to do it, but don't use what we did today. Make sure you do your homework and send it to me. Only few of you did. Do your homework and send to me. You have to do it. We are looking at it here.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
What's your WhatsApp number?
My WhatsApp number?
Yeah.
It's there. If you don't want to send it to the forum, but I want everybody to send to the forum, you can send to me. I'll send you my number later.
All right.
Okay, because this is online.
All right.
All right. So go there. This homework, you need to complete it. Don't put the answers we did today. What you're going to put, it has to be different. Okay, so now let's do elu. Something that is up high. Ono n'elu. Ono n'elu. Somebody else, I need you to say something. Ono na elu. Who will tell us, who will make a sentence? If you know it, please go ahead and say it. Don't wait.
Or isn't it?
Okay, Ezinne, go on.
Afeya nenu.
Afeya.
Nenu.
Put the preposition. Put the preposition.
Afeya na nenu.
Good. That na has to be there. Afeya no n'elu. Some people will say uweya no n'elu. You see that? That is wonderful. Can somebody else give us another example? Afe. Some people will say uwe ya no. Don't forget to put your preposition. That's good. Ezin, I'm glad you got it. Uwe ya no na elu. Onye ọzọ means another person. We have less than 3 minutes for class to be over. But you have to finish the rest yourself. Next time we just do quick review and then move on to common Igbo verbs. Come on. Somebody go on. Okay, I will give examples to all of them so that it will help you, okay? Before the class is over. We have heat, which is eku, something that is so hot. All the oku, eba na eku, all the oku means it's very hot. Eba, Here, na-eku ọkụ is very, very hot. Here is very hot. It's very hot. Ọ dị ọkụ, ọ na-eku ọkụ n'iro. Outside is very hot. Now, we have another one say low or down. Ala. Ọ nọ n'ala. Gaa nọrọ n'ala. Kedu ebe, maybe I ask a question, where is this? And I say, ọ nọ n'ala. Gaa weta ya. Go bring it. Ọ nọ n'ala. It means it is on the floor. Okay? Now you can say left. Left means on your left side. Akụkụ, aka ekpe means left. Aka ekpe means left. Aka ekpem, aka ekpe. Okay, go get it. That thing, I left it on the left side of the bed. Okay, so you know the meaning of what we are doing here. Left means aka ekpe. New, something that is new. Ọhụụ or ọhụrụ. Old, ochie. Nka or agadi. Pretty or beautiful means mma. Quick means ọsịsọ or ngwa ngwa. Right means aka nri, on the right side, aka nri. Small means obere. Obere is ntakịrị also. Short means mkpụmkpụ, mkpirisi, nkenke. So I will need you to stop there. That's your homework. Start from easy down to short. Okay.